Yeah. Okay. So then we can talk about that, and then I think it'll be kind of cool. I think everybody's excited about it, right? And that way you could be in charge of it, and yeah. So is it the one that you send it to me, or do I have to, do something else? We had some bad news or something. What happened now? Good morning, everyone. It's the top of the hour. See what happens. See, even 5 minutes can't make a decision. Let's see what Wick's doing today. Let's see. Let's see. All right, so Wick, that's it. Interesting. So Wick wants to go down, right? The volatility index, but then the market is going down. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, got some on 5 minutes. Never mind. Let me see. All right. Still interesting, right? So where Wick is at. And then the thing is, like we talked about it yesterday, to breaking down 100 level, and I looked overnight. I was like, well, sure did. He sure did, way below the 100 level, right? We talked about it yesterday. See, like I feel like it's supposed to do yesterday, but it did it overnight. And then they say because we had some news, but it was really technical analysis at the end of the day. Good morning, TikTok people. Good morning, YouTube. Oops, said a wrong word. Good morning, everyone. So let's see, we're retracing this a little bit. Okay, we're gonna go to a bigger time frame with our MAQ. So I was actually looking at it already at this. Let's see. Can you guys see the site? So it wants to, but it cannot break that 500 level. Yeah, keeps wanting to break the 500, the 600, around 500. It just can't. So it pulled up right here and rejected it, and now we're back to the 400 level. Yeah, we're in between the two Federal gaps and MNQ, Ryan. You're right. Fresh Delgado, good morning. Are you in anything? Not right now. We're doing the top-down analysis. We're looking at the 4-hour right now, and we are looking. We're watching this pre-market because we try to sit with the market for a little bit and see what happens here. So I don't know if it's gonna reject the point of control. And then if I do right here without changing the indicators, let's see if we go to 4 hours right here. Let's see what the point of control is on the bigger time frame. We have it at the 441 level, so like the same around the 500 level. Yeah. It was a beautiful, beautiful reversal. I wasn't on yet, so I did not catch this reversal. There we go. Let's see. Good morning, everyone. Any other questions while we're looking at the top-down analysis? Oh, now I know I had it this way. With just indicator, I like it when I spread it out more versus being tighter. How do you find point of control? That's like something is already done for me. All the information is pinned for you if you want to look for it, depending on the time frame. So I'll show it to you right now. You see the red line. This is point of control on the shorter time frame. And let me show once I switch to, let's say, 4 hours. Can you see that? Point of control is around the 443 area. Yeah. Uplift daily. Can you see that? It's all done. Yeah, it's all done for me. Yeah. And I'm not a tech person, so I just pay for it. So it's all the information is there for you. Yes. This is the most asked questions about my indicators. Yeah. Irina, good morning. Kona, I haven't seen you for a while. Good morning, Kona. Kona? Right, Kona. Are we calling you Kona? So let's see. So now you see when I switch the time frames, the point of control, which right now that's where we at, in a smaller time frame. The red line. Yep. Hi, it's crazy for me with the kids and business to what I can when I can. Yeah, that's all we can do. That's all I can do. People sometimes have me in the car while they're driving, you know. So let's see what decisions we're gonna make at this point of control. We have 20 minutes till the open. Good morning, Melissa. Good morning, Irina. Happy day. Had to step away and I'm back. How's everyone? Yeah. You didn't miss anything. So I just select the 100 level we saw yesterday. And obviously it took off. But remember the short that we took? Good thing we trailed the stops. That's great. But we saw the 100 level, which they did break it really easy yesterday after close. But yes. And exactly it stalled out. It bounced back at the 100 level and then it went down again. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Especially when you do like a bigger time frame, then you realize that like, wow. Yeah, it is, yes, it was the news, but also like there's a lot of technical analysis why they bounce back with that level, right? So I'm always gonna be the birdie on your chip that's saying like, hey, let's just look how we would trade our personal accounts. Roger, good morning. Yarvis Harvest, follow me. Thank you so much. Good morning, Texan. Happy hump day. Do you trade meme coins? I don't. I really don't. Look at this beautiful reversal. That is a beautiful, beautiful reversal. I totally missed it, so I'm not gonna be mad about it. It is what it is. What platform am I using? This is TradingView that you see. Let's go. We like it when it recovers. So now I think it's the 100 level that I want to see what's gonna happen. Let's see. Okay. This is do I have my levels on? Okay. Let's see the levels. Let's put my levels on. Yeah, but you see the T open, it's lower, the 884. But we also have Google today reporting, right? I think someone did Google and our did anybody? I think was it D Queen that did the Google? It's Google reporting today. There's a lot of selling pressure, yes. We're back at the 200 very conveniently. Can you guys see the patterns? Same thing every day, right before the open. Can you guys see that? So yeah, decision time right here between the point of control and between the 200. I don't know. There's a lot of selling. Melissa gave me a rose. She always helps me accomplish my goals. Did you see Melissa? Like with my followers, I'm 300 away from my goal. I always say my goal was to half of what Melissa has. Thank you. Yeah, you're always very kind. Thank you so much. Let me see really quick something really quick. All right. So Asia low, we should mark this one. Asia high, London high, Asia low, London low. Okay. All right. Since we have a little bit of time before open, let's do that. Or send me all of them. So the area. London high was 29,173. 29,173. All right, so around this area, more or less. Okay. Melissa is laughing. Thank you, H-Town. Okay. No, Town Texan. Okay. So the next one we're gonna mark, this is the London. Asia low, it's 140, so it's gonna be this one. I'm not gonna mark it anymore in the chart. That's enough for me to mark it. All right, and then the Asia high, the 29,300 is really high. Oh, look at that. Okay, so we're good. All right, so we're gonna leave this one here. And then London low is 29.95. All right, we're gonna use this one. I'm not gonna mark it because it's this one right here, the support too. All righty. Let's see what happens. London loan is 2961. Yeah, so I was thinking it's around that area anyway, so I do think we have some downside coming in today, but no bias for me. You guys know I don't do bias. All right, 15 minutes before open. Any questions for anybody? Melissa, give me a level up. Thank you. Bowser follow. And thank you so much. We're getting closer and closer to my goal. Art to follow. Thank you so much. Any questions for anybody? So this was a beautiful reversal, which I missed because I wasn't on it. I don't see a pre-market trade right now. Right now I'm between the point of control and between the 200. We have levels above and levels below, so I don't know. Anybody's writing this up? That's a beautiful reversal. Hello, Forex. Nope, no one is in the trade. And like you copy trading account or just one main one? It just depends on the goal for today. Like sometimes I have a couple accounts to pass, sometimes I need to put in, flip a contract here and there. So it just depends on the day. At the open, a lot of times I just do one. I need to change this alpha feature thingy. Let's see. Text. Let's see if I can do it. We have 13 minutes till open. We bumping up. So if you in the shorts right now. I forgot to put the trader 5. It's okay. We are pumping. Yeah. I'm not upset that I missed this reversal, but that was a beautiful, beautiful reversal. Good morning, the queen. You did not miss much. We did a top-down analysis. We were talking about the 100 level that is trying to climb back up. The 100 level we talked about yesterday. It broke down overnight. Good thing we trailed our stops yesterday. Melissa, trail your stops. Yep. I looked back yesterday. I was like, good thing we trailed the stops, even though the levels were correct and it did take us out at night. But we don't have that much wiggle room, especially with the prop firms. D Queen and Melissa, they gonna Jess will share her indicator. She feels like it's ready. This one right here. Okay, we tracing back to where, you guys? Yeah. She feels like it's ready, so she'll share with us. I tried to put it on the WAP yesterday, but I think legally, because she coded it, I think she has to share. Yeah. That's a beautiful reversal. Well, we'll see if we're gonna reject this now. Nope. No rejection. No rejection. No clue what's gonna do. See, the 5 minutes is breaking out of the 70. Yeah, definitely breaking out of the 70 right now. Nice push. I think Google records today, right? Reports today. Let me check the calendar. Today it is Wednesday. Oh, okay, we have Tesla and we have Alphabet. The AT&T, I think I have analysis. I forgot which channel it was. I want to see a swing trade, right? We had a swing trade in AT&T. American Airlines are tomorrow. Intel is tomorrow. That's going to be a big one. The Verizon on Friday, which I believe we put analysis on that one too. Yeah. All right. We have another Lithuanian, La Buka. See, I know when it's a real Lithuanian, when it's they use translation. We haven't taken any trade. To the new people that join, we missed that reversal right here, but we're waiting for the open. We see the 200 and we see the point of control on a smaller time frame. And we talking about earnings. We have 9 minutes. We could not find the trade before the open. So anybody's trading Tesla today or Google? It's after close. I always like to watch the actual stock, what happens the day before. I found the pattern, but I don't know how much I want to share because it's not like proven pattern, but I noticed the pattern over and over again. Yeah. All right. We all quiet. We're seeing the push. We don't see. Just good. It's a good strength for the market. SMCI did crazy yesterday. Went up like from $24 to $30. So that was a crazy push. Yep, I don't see any questions. So let's see. I just waited out 7 minutes and see what happens. And where are you trading from? I don't know how to call it. Jeff Jenich? The Lithuanian guy, let's put it that way. Where are you trading from? Yep, we're breaking out of this area. I don't want to put a trade right now at all. Yep, let's see if it goes to the 100. I see Kona is typing. Everybody's quiet today. Is it a hum day situation? Yeah. Everybody's quiet. I could be spitting out good information and everybody's like, can't hear me well. Look at this nice push. Is it a fake out? Is it to learn 5 minutes before? Yeah, possible rejection at 100, right? Buy low, sell high. Yeah. Oh, actually, people buy high and sell low because they panic. That's usually the real pattern. Then we reached, look, we reached that 100. Look at that. Yeah, but it's just like the time right now, it's 4 minutes before the open. So I think we all see rejections. He's saying, JMO says I've been up all night and hasn't been doing, and he hasn't been doing anything. I think we got a big sell-off, right? And then it's been stalling out about the 100 level. We talked about it yesterday. That 100 level. Yeah, no way of knowing what's gonna do. Just no way. Okay, 4 minutes. Let's see. Any questions for anybody? Everybody's good. Don't have a bias. I do see rejection of that 100, but it's right before the open, so. All right, they all seeing the same thing. Okay. Any questions, people on TikTok? Yep. So we are rejecting the 100. That's cool, right? We all seeing the same thing. They wanted to trap you, believe it's gonna go long, and then rip your face off right before the open. But we better than that, right? We don't get fooled into this. Two minutes. Any questions for anybody before I don't have a chance to pay attention to you? I think we need to go back and touch this, right, to test it out before the open. We always seen this pattern. So I look for reversals, so we'll see if I can find reversal today or not. Yeah, maybe 113 level, like right here, right? Yeah. Let's see what happens. So we all seeing the same thing. All right, buckle up, everyone. How do you spot reversals? That's a really, really long answer, but hold on, I need to concentrate. But yeah, so RSI, MACD, certain levels VWAP, point of control, when they get far away from each other, then I look for reversals. It's really hard. It's not the easiest trading strategy for sure. All right, so let's see. There you go. There goes the open. And we push. Are we getting bull trap or are we gonna go up? Shorting, full porting, yes. Shorts, I see shorts too. But we are at the 100 level. Let's see what happens here. Do we get the rejection? Oh no, what are we going through? No rejection. The 113 level Kona was talking about. All right. Any questions for people on TikTok? Are we good to go? All right. So I'm gonna end the stream right here. Have a good day, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.